is the start of my vlog or whatever for the SoCal trip or whatever. So this is a little closet in the Airbnb. Ignore my fat ass, long ass right now. Anyways, this is my Airbnb. Ignore the mess. I have not unpacked. I just got here. I think my friend's gonna pick me up and we're gonna be out east.
12 seconds later.
Hey guys, I'm at downtown Disney now with this child. I met him at the corner. He was just there. Now we're at the
store.
Yeah, which one? The Disney store, I guess. Out here. Disneyland. The downtown. I already said that.
Okay.
So we got boba. What do you get?
I don't even know what it's called.
I love balls in my mouth.
What do you mean by that?
I decided to vlog right now. I'm currently, as you can see, in the bathroom doing my eyebrows. As you see, I did one and the other one's naked. But I'm sitting on the counter to see myself in the mirror because this is the only mirror there is and this is the only way I could like see myself. So right now I'm getting ready. I was hanging out with my friend, but I got dropped off and now I'm gonna go. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Laguna Beach or I don't know, we will see. I will see you guys in a bit when I'm maybe when I get the car, if I remember to vlog it. If not, then we'll see what I do. Okay, so I'm already here at where I was gonna come. I came to the mall, Westminster Mall. I don't know. Alright guys, we're here. It's literally like empty. So I don't even know. I can't see myself right now. I'm using the back camera. But I don't even know if there's anyone behind me. But anyways, this is it. There's someone behind me, but I don't care. Literally nothing to do here. Mall is like so dead. Like I don't even know what to do, you guys. I've never seen a mall this dead. Even the mall that's dead in my city is not as dead as this. Like what? Oh, what the frick? I thought I said Urban Outfitters, bro. I was about to go there. Oh, are you kidding me right now? Oh my god, Danny. You know what? I kind of want to go in here because it's a hit. Not like I'm gonna get anything. Okay guys, I'm at Venice. This is so awkward. I'm literally in the middle. I'm going that way. I'm gonna go to the sugar store. If you guys know, then you know. If you don't, then you don't. It's very pretty. Just out here. Shit, the bricks get the fuck out of me. There's a store that I wanted to go to. It's sugar. Now, let's go inside. Back here. I literally just got whatever the fuck I saw. Alright, so I'm done with Venice Beach. I'm just here outside my car. So, oh my god, there's like a car full of guys right there. You can see the guy right there. Anyways, okay guys, I am Joe's ice cream.
The next morning.
We're in LA. I was trying to look for like this one photo booth thingy to take pictures with by this one like YouTuber or whatever, but I couldn't find it. But look at the scenery. So pretty, literally my Okay, so we're gonna go to the booth that I said. Yeah. So I just did the booth by Brain and I was not ready. I did not know the pictures take right away. So we'll see how those came out, but I know they do not come out right. Took them and they came out fucking ugly. So sad, because I was so excited. But I have no friends, so it's not like I could do this with anyone.
Oh my god! Wow!
Came out of Xavier Wolf's store broke as fuck. I bought these freaking glasses, fucking 40 bucks. I don't have money right now. I'm using my credit.
Stop it. Get some help.
Who let me? Who let me? Let me put these on. I wish I could put you guys here, but you guys here? Hold on. You can literally just see my head. Look. Unboxing. Unboxing. Whee. I love it. He said that he like redesigned them as like how Prada has their glasses or whatever. Ooh, don't talk to me. Anyways, they are cute. Oh, also I'm rocking Midnight. So kudos. E30. I don't know what you can see. But yeah, go cop some. I love the glasses. I shouldn't have bought the hoodie, but I don't regret the glasses. I love LA traffic, though. We love LA traffic. And I hate all the motherfuckers here that do not let me merge to that fucking lane. LA traffic at its finest. Don't we love it here? I for sure love it here. Alright guys, I am in like little outlet store here in Orange County area. I don't know what's the actual name of this little outlet. Oh yeah, Orange Outlet or something like that. So yeah, I'm out here. My new merch. This is what I bought at Xavier's shop.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with
The next day.
Hi guys, so I already got ready for the show, rocking the Xavier Wolf glasses. But I forgot to like record before, so I'm already ready. The fit, excuse how big I look, but look at this back. Do you guys see that? Cute. Unfortunately, I don't have enough to make this look good. I have like anyways, but yeah, so I am already ready. I'm gonna go to my friend's house and then we're gonna cruise from his house to the show. So, I'm also wearing a long sleeve because I don't know if you guys see the tan. But yeah. I'm gonna wear, I have my slides right there. I mean my sandals, my slides I'm wearing. But yeah. So I'm gonna start driving to my friend's house. This is the last time I'm being in this Airbnb. So yeah, because my checkout is at 11 today. Because I'm leaving after the show back to North Cal. copying me. Why are you trying to beat me? He literally put the glasses on.
Yeah, but mine's better.
Excuse me? Do you see what this
Name brand, Ray-Bans.
product?
Prada.
Hey guys, look, these are my cars. The whole lineup is mine. Update. I'm still here. This is like my third fit already. RX-7, that's just clean, a G, and then they really got me in the truck, you guys. Like, what the fuck? What is this? Cause I don't know. Dope as fuck, right? Okay, so we left.
It got
already.
fucking hot. Like hot.
It's
hot.
been hot since we got
Yeah,
here,
it's
to
been
be honest. Sorry, guys.
I got a phone call.
Alright.
Bueno.